Are you ready to transform your Hyundai Sonata into a luxurious sanctuary? In today's video, we're diving into the ultimate guide on the best seat covers for Hyundai Sonata that will not only enhance your ride's aesthetics, but also protect your investment. Imagine cozy, stylish covers that blend comfort and durability while showcasing your unique personality. We'll unveil the top contenders that promise to elevate your driving experience. Whether you want sleek leather or vibrant fabric styles, say goodbye to worn-out interiors and hello to a fresh, invigorating look. Don't miss out on discovering the perfect seat covers that will have everyone talking. Buckle up and let's get started on your Sonata makeover. Number 7. Moroso seat covers full set offers an exceptional blend of style and functionality, making them a must-have for anyone seeking the best seat covers for their Hyundai Sonata. Designed with a universal fit, these covers cater to a range of vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, and trucks, ensuring a perfect match for most models. Made from premium faux leather, they are not only breathable but also waterproof, stain-resistant, and easy to clean, ideal for families and pet owners. Safety is paramount, and the Moroso seat covers are airbag compatible, featuring a clever detachable design. This ensures you stay protected while enjoying a stylish upgrade to your car's interior. Additionally, the smart storage pockets offer convenient space for essentials, and the non-slip design keeps them secure during drives. Installation takes only about 30 minutes, and with clear instructions plus a support team ready to assist you 24/7. Setting these covers up is a breeze. Elevate your driving experience with Moroso. Number 6. KSJH car seat cover designed specifically for the Hyundai Sonata models from 2009 to 2025. This premium seat cover is crafted from high-quality Nappa leather that not only elevates the aesthetic of your vehicle's interior, but also ensures maximum comfort. The waterproof feature means you don't have to stress over accidental spills. A quick wipe with a damp cloth is all it takes to keep it looking pristine. Installation is a breeze with a detailed manual and video included, allowing you to transform your seats in just 8 minutes. Plus, the anti-slip design and ergonomic fit ensure a snug placement, enhancing safety while retaining airbag compatibility. With its breathable material, you'll experience a comfortable ride in all weather conditions. If you're looking for the best seat covers for your Hyundai Sonata, the KSJH car seat cover combines practicality with luxury, making it the ideal choice for any car enthusiast. Upgrade your ride today and enjoy the perfect blend of style and functionality. Number 5. Rawcore breathable seat covers for Hyundai Sonata 2007 to 2025 are the ultimate upgrade for your car's interior. Designed specifically for 5-seater models, these black and gray faux leather seat covers provide a custom fit that enhances both style and comfort. Crafted from high-quality imitation leather, they are tough, waterproof, and extremely durable, ensuring they withstand daily wear and tear. The breathable perforation design allows for excellent air circulation, keeping you cool during long drives and ensuring year-round comfort. These seat covers not only protect your original seats from pets, keys, and dirt but also are effortless to clean with just a wet towel. Installation is a breeze with included instructions and all necessary hardware. You'll have them fitted in no time. Perfect for anyone looking to maintain the pristine condition of their Hyundai Sonata. The Rawcore breathable seat covers are truly the best seat covers for Hyundai Sonata. Upgrade your ride today and experience driving like never before. Number 4. Aierxuan seat covers for cars. Women offer the perfect combination of style, comfort, and practicality for your vehicle. Designed specifically for models like the Hyundai Sonata, these seat covers feature high-quality faux leather, padded with sponge for a soft, breathable, and waterproof experience, ensuring durability and ease of maintenance. The universal fit makes them compatible with 99% of cars, including sedans, SUVs, and vans. The chic black-beige color scheme adds a vibrant touch to your interior while providing comprehensive protection for your seats. The innovative design cleverly accommodates airbags and includes handy pockets on the front seat backs for storing small items, blending functionality with elegance. Installation is a breeze with no tools required. typically taking just 25 minutes. So you can enjoy your refreshed car interior without hassle. Elevate your driving experience with Aierxuan's stylish and functional seat covers. The best choice for the Hyundai Sonata and more. Number 3. KEYOOG Universal 5-Seater Car Seat Covers. Designed especially for vehicles like the Hyundai Sonata. Crafted from premium perforated Nappa leather and durable synthetic materials. These beige covers are not only stylish, but also incredibly comfortable. Featuring high elastic density foam padding that provides excellent back support. They're scratch-resistant, wear-resistant, and waterproof properties ensure your seats are protected against spills, stains, and pet hair. With precise cutouts for airbags and seat belts, you can drive with peace of mind knowing functionality is maintained. Installation is a breeze, no tools required. In just 15 to 25 minutes. Transform your car's interior without lifting the rear seat. The universal fit makes these covers compatible with most sedans, SUVs, and trucks, while the anti-slip fabric keeps everything securely in place. Say goodbye to worries about seat damage and hello to an impeccable-looking interior with the KEYOOG seat covers, truly the best seat covers for Hyundai Sonata. Number 2. Tomatoman car seat covers provide an exceptional blend of style and functionality, making them a top choice for vehicle owners, especially for those looking for the best seat covers for Hyundai Sonata. These universal fit covers are designed to offer full protection across a range of vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, and trucks, ensuring a snug, comfortable fit with a sleek black and gray aesthetic. Crafted from durable faux leather, these covers are not only waterproof, but also resistant to wear and tear. The thoughtful design includes a side zipper for easy installation, breathable material, and non-slip bottom cloth to keep the covers securely in place. Additionally, they accommodate airbags and seat belts without compromising safety, with handy pockets for organization and a stylish finish that garners compliments. These seat covers are more than just protective gear. They make a perfect gift for family and friends. Upgrade your car's interior with Tomatoman and enjoy both practicality and elegance on the road. Number 1. Aierxuan leather car seat covers are the ultimate choice for car enthusiasts looking to elevate their interior while ensuring maximum protection. Designed with a universal fit, these seat covers are compatible with 95% of vehicles, including the best seat covers for Hyundai Sonata, making them perfect for sedans, SUVs, and trucks. Crafted from high-grade leather, they provide a breathable, waterproof, and wear-resistant surface, ensuring comfort in all seasons. The thoughtful storage design features convenient pockets on the front seat backs for storing essentials like phones or magazines, keeping your space organized. Importantly, the covers are designed to maintain compatibility with airbags, ensuring safety is never compromised. Installation is a breeze with clear instructions, requiring no tools and taking just about 25 minutes. Say goodbye to sliding covers. With Aierxuan, you'll enjoy stylish, practical, and durable seat protection that transforms your driving experience. In conclusion, choosing the best seat covers for your Hyundai Sonata can enhance both the comfort and style of your vehicle interior. From durable materials to custom fit options, there's something for every preference and budget. Upgrade your ride today and protect your seats in the process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Share this video with fellow Hyundai Sonata owners to help them find the perfect seat covers.